Welcome to IndianShareTips.com. Today is 5th June 2021 and Saturday. We are undertaking an analysis that why we expect Nifty to head towards 17,000 oblique 19,000 levels in times to come. We are doing this analysis because a lot of people, oblique traders, are expecting that market will fall and then they will enter in the market. दे आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि अभी तो 15,000 से ऊपर 15,500 15,700 पे पहुंच गया है, अब और कितना जाएगा. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू एड्रेस दिस क्वेरी दैट हाउ फार निफ्टी कैन मूव फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट लेवल्स. We are discussing 8 reasons that why we expect Nifty to make a move towards 17,000 oblique 19,000 levels in times to come. The first and the foremost reason is that VIX, which is the fear index, is at 15, which is the lowest level as of now. Generally, we have seen VIX staying near 20 levels. So VIX staying 20 to 35 is a moderate level, and above 35, that is the time when we have to be fearful that yes, now market is topping up and we may see it going down. So fear index is giving us a lot of leeway of the Nifty going up. Secondly, we foresee that unlock benefit is going to accrue to a lot of companies. A number of companies are stranded up because of the lockdown. Automobile companies have closed their plants due to non-sales in the month of May 2021. And with economy opening up, people will start buying the automobiles, and these companies will also start working round the clock. Third is, as of now, the fixed deposit rates are abysmally at low levels, which means that people have very less avenues for investment where they can beat the inflation. As of now, the fixed deposit rates of around say 6% can only make sure that you get a negative return because inflation is generally on the higher side of 6%. So it is better in that scenario to park it somewhere where you can get higher rate of interest. And we see that a lot of people are now heading towards the Indian stock market because here you can multiply your money effectively with least amount of risk. Fourthly, we feel that LIC IPO news and lockdown has brought a lot of new traders to stock market. Movement, new stock traders come to the market means depth of the market increases multiple times. Whether they come with small money or with large money, they are going to take Nifty to the higher levels. When the people of the country show their participation in the stock market, that is the time when outsiders also feel that they are missing the bus and they come in the hordes. FIs generally buy at higher levels and book further at the higher levels. So they believe in the strategy, buy higher and sell further on the higher side. So by the retail participation, we will be inviting more FIs to come inside India and invest in our stock market. Fifth reason is that as of now, tourism and hotel industry is the biggest sufferer, including the entertainment industry. We feel that as the unlock starts, tourists will be flocking as they are tired of being confined at their homes. We are surprised that entertainment stocks like Inox Media and PVR are touching their 52-week high despite no screening of the films. As they say, news is factored in the price, which means that the bad news is totally factored in the price, and now any unlock news can take these stocks, tourism, hotel, entertainment industry, aviation, to their next higher levels, which will be beyond their present 52-week levels high. So as a strategy, you can invest in unlocked stocks which will get benefited with the opening of the economy, and we have given you the sectors. You can choose the best sectors in this segment to get appreciation over a longer time frame. India is seeing a robust forex reserve, and as on date we have crossed beyond $600 billion, which is a big achievement for us. 1990 level, we were putting our gold mortgage with Bank of England, as we had very few days of forex reserve with us, and now we are coolly sitting at $600 billion. This is a proud moment for all of us as Indians. Seventh reason is that COVID-19 vaccination drive is in full throttle, and India is producing the vaccines for half of the world. So we are going to be the biggest beneficiary in terms of undertaking the vaccination at the fastest pace. And last reason we feel is that the present low home rates at say 6.75%, which means that individuals can buy a home of theirs at a very competitive rate. Just remember that one home loan gives impetus to around 147 industries. So we feel that all the indicators are in the right direction, and we are looking at a positive growth for Nifty to the levels of 17,000/19,000 in times to come. We do want you to get benefited with our best bank Nifty option tip, which is given for intraday purpose, and you can get started with a small capital of 10,000 rupees and can make money on daily basis. And if margin is no criterion for you, then we do have our best stock tips for intraday trading also in form of our jackpot stock tip. If you are a commodity trader, you can check out our commodity tips, in which we provide gold mini, silver mini, natural gas, crude, copper, zinc, nickel, lead, aluminium. If you like our video, we'll request you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Spread the word to your friends and colleagues, and get benefited by investing in the stock market now, because this attitude और कितना ऊपर जाएगा will keep you holding back and you will miss the bus. So if you are looking to invest in the market for the long term, you can check out our delivery stock tips, where our clients are getting benefited with our services. Stay safe, use mask. Happy investing. Thank you.